Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and a very good day to everyone. So after the very long semester break, I bet that you must be ready for the new semester, right? So welcome to ECC 3014 and ECC 3004 Engineering Statistic. Okay, since Monday was the public holiday, therefore I have decided to conduct the class through online, whereby the slides going to be divided into three different slides. Which is the first one is going to be about me and how do I conduct the class and the motivation to the course. The second slide is going to be the second main slide is going to be on the course instructions and the evaluations method. And the last slide is going to be on the introduction to statistics. So stay tuned to the online learning. All right. So first and foremost, let me introduce myself. I am Dr. Muhammad Haikal bin Ismail, a senior lecturer from the Department of Chemical and Environmental Engineering. You can contact me directly through 03 97694676, but make sure before that you text me through WhatsApp to the number 01779499131. You can also attentively email me through heikal, heikal @upm.edu.my. And don't forget the Skype username, Muhammad Haikal Ismail. Make sure you install Skype straight away because we're going to have the presentations and we're going to communicate a lot, most probably on Skype. And my Facebook username as listed there, Muhammad Haikal Ismail. Okay, first of all, scan your attendance here. For the iPhone, you can scan by using your camera, if I'm not mistaken, and the rest you can install the scanner. And don't forget to fill in the details and the forms. But please take note that for every subsequent class and every subsequent week, I'm going to use Putrakam. So make sure that you install Putrakam like right now, because I'm going to use it like every week. And you can install it, you can find it on Google Play and Apple Store. But I believe that last semester, iPhone user they could not find Putrakam, but I could find it. Maybe I don't know. Maybe it depends on the model. But as the alternative, you can use your friend's phone, which have this account, to sign your attendance. All right. Okay. First of all, before the class start, I want to know: do you think that you are a champion? I mean, I want to know what is your motivation level at this stage, because I believe that you are a third year student, right? Okay, so answer by clicking true or false through the button here. Okay, moving on to the next simple mathematical questions. Okay, I want you to answer n equals to 5 plus 4. What is n? And after that, okay, click from these three options here. And next is going to bring you to another question and another question. So answer all those questions. Okay, moving on next to the simple statistical questions. Okay, we can see here that the figure, but there is no axis value over there. But let's look at the descriptions. Two sports teams at University Putra Malaysia are raising funds for new sports equipment. The fund has started since January 2019 with the interval of 50 ringgit. How much money did both teams raise during April 2019? Okay, so please take note that the graph and the figures start from January 2019 with the interval of 50. So do your own calculations, make sure it is accurate, between 750 ringgit, 300 ringgit, or 150 ringgit. Okay, I have a task for you. Sketch one object. Okay, one object define. Depends on you. How do you want to define one? Whether you can make two object into one, but make sure that it is an object that represent or define yourself. So by clicking here, okay, it's going to direct you to draw island. Okay, I would like to draw myself as a circle and a line. Okay, this is an arrow for me. Maybe like this. Okay, something like this. Okay, all right. And after that, you can draw your own object. Make sure your object is not similar to your other friends. The link to the application is given in the description. Okay, after that, you can save it. Because make sure you draw your object depends on your current situation and current mood, because I want to observe how do you progress from the first week up to the final week. All right. Okay, so and after that, after you sketch the object, you have to insert the image by clicking here. Okay, find your object, click here. I bet you have used this Padlet before, right? So it's not new. Okay, so this is my object. Okay, here goes. This is my object, and put the name for your object. Okay, for myself, I would like to put an arrow, or you can just put anything. Okay, let's say you want to put arrow, maybe aerospace. I don't know. It depends on you. Or maybe arrow, like aerospace, right? So, but make sure that it is related to your study. Hopefully, be creative. Okay, for example, right? For why did I choose arrow? Because I aim for my own goals. Okay, because for me, for myself, I know what I want, so I will aim for my goals. Okay, it can be anything. It can be like maybe something. It's not necessarily has to be related with study, right? It can be on your personal life, because at the end of the day, everything matters for you in the university, right? Okay, make sure that make sure every student insert all the image here, right? Because after this, after week 14, I'm gonna make sure I'm gonna request you to draw how do you find yourself after week 14. Okay, so because in this subject, I want you to see yourself transcend. I want you to see yourself blossomed and transform into someone better, not only to the subject, but in terms of your skills, like presentation skill, your confidence skill, and everything. Because after you have graduated, that nothing else matters. What can you bring? What can you gather from the university life is really important. So I would like to make sure that you can gather as much skills that you can before you want to apply for the job soon. All right, so that's why I want to make sure that you really know what is your purpose, especially in this subject, because this subject is really important so that you can relate very closely to your working, whether you're going to work in the research area or in the factory, in the maybe aerospace field, right? In the laboratory, because basically you have to do statistic for your data, because without statistic give the data give no meaning at all. Okay, so that's all for this class. Let's move on for the next slides. All right, thank you.